Why spending so much on data when you can actually get your gig of data
at a much more affordable rate?
for, well, in this video, I have come to help you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, I will show you a platform where you can buy your data for as low as 268 naira. Yes, you heard me right. You'll be buying your data for as low as 268 naira. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, the first thing I would like you to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification for it. When you do so, you are encouraging me to publish more useful content like this. So tap on that subscription button right now and turn on the notification because it is very important. So after that, let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to launch our Chrome browser. We have it here. I have it here rather. So you can use any browser. You can use any browser, but I'm going to be using Chrome here. So on the so once so on the search bar, search for VTUnet. As you can see here, VTUnet, then tap on it. So it is the first one that shows at the top here. What you have to do is to tap it. So this is the website homepage. Mind you, there is an app for this platform, and the app supposed to show here immediately I got into the site. But the reason why it didn't show here is because I have already installed the app. I have registered on this platform, installed the app. I have been using this platform for a very long time. So I don't have to reinstall the app again. But for you as a new user, it will show immediately you get to the site. Just tap on install once you see it. So what you have to do from here is to register. But before that, you can see here at vtunet.com.ng, we offer you the most affordable and cheapest data, airtime, DSTV, GoTV, and StarTime subscription. Although the feature is more than this, it is not finished yet. With this platform, you can also start your recharge card printing business. So to get started, you just have to tap on register. So provide your email, first name, last name, username, your phone number, select your state, your location. So provide your referral name. If you have one, you can use mine. You can use this referral name. You can use this, although it is optional, but you may use it. So Ayoife121, that is my referral name. So provide your password. Make sure that your password has minimum of 8 character. Then tap sign up. I've already signed up, so let me tap on sign in instead to walk you through. So now, as you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. Now, just like what I told you earlier, you can print airtime, buy data, you can buy airtime, and for this, you can use it to top up your wallet. The amount you see at the top here, I use this option to top up my account, and from here you can choose a suitable option that is more convenient for you. You can use virtual bank account funding, ATM card or transfer funding, or you can use manual bank funding. So whichever you feel it is convenient for you, just choose any of them. So I have found my account here. Let's see other features that we have here before I buy data in real time. That I will show you how I'm going to be buying the data, and you see how cheaper it is. You can see my recent transactions here, just a few of them though. So to tap on active, if you tap on activity here, it will show you all the transactions I've made so far. You can see on this platform, you can see I have made a lot of transactions on this platform. I have buy a lot of data, recharge card, etc on this platform, and everything is swift and very convenient. So let's see other features on this platform. So for the app, if unfortunately you were not able to install the app earlier, you can just tap install web app here. This one, this particular one, just tap it and it will show the prompts. So you can just tap on install web app and it will be installed on your smartphone, and it will show like this, just like the one I have here. This particular one, it will show like this, so you don't have to be going to Chrome every time just to access the your account. So let's go back. So you can buy airtime, print airtime. You can see your transaction history. You can see your airtime transaction history here if you tap here. So pay cable sub and a lot more. So let's quickly go ahead to purchase data in real time. So I have found my account with 200 naira added to the one I have here. So total I have 346 naira here. So I'll be buying data in real time and you will see. But before we proceed from here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done so. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, tap on that subscription button, then turn on the notification for more videos like this. So let's get started. What we have to do is tap on buy data. I've tapped it. So from here, tap here. Please select rather. So I'm going to be buying MTN data. So tap on SME. Then the next thing, plan. Please select plan. You can see for 500 MB is 134 naira for 30 days. 1 gig data is 268 naira for 30 days. 2 gig data is 536 naira for 30 days. You can buy as much as you want. Yes, you can buy as much as you want. And also, you can fund your account as much as you want. You can fund your account with 100, 200, and you can also buy gigs, terabytes of data on this platform. For tutorial guides only, I need to add 200 naira to my account so that I'll be able to buy the data in real time. So tap on 1 gig. Now provide your phone number. I'll be providing my phone number. Before I buy this data, let's first go and check the amount of data I currently have on my phone. Let's go. So currently, data bundle that I have is 207 MB. Data bonus is 715 MB. So now let's go back and buy this data, and we'll come back here again to see whether it will add up or not. So tap on proceed.
081441388861.
So as you can see, it says purchase successful. Now let's go back and check. Star 323 hash. So we'll see whether uh whether I have received the 1 gig data or not. So as you can see, data bundle 1.2 gig. And you know that earlier I have 207 MB. So here you can see that 1 gig data has added up. So this is all you need to do to buy to buy affordable data on this platform. You can buy as much as you want, all on this platform. You can start your recharge card printing business just with this platform. Just with this platform. Does this video help you? Please let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thanks and bye for now.